You are the talk of the whole world. Talagang pinag-uusapan tong balitang ito. Sa mga, it's Monday of course, so everybody's excited. Relax na relax ka. How do you feel? It's happening.
Very relaxed, and I'm excited to start my training. It's Monday, so I'm so excited for the fight.
Yeah, so bago ka magbukas ng training camp sa Los Angeles, 8 weeks, dito ka muna sa Jensen magte-training at sabi mo muna yung plano mo for this week at kailan ka magbabiyahe papunta sa Amerika?
Wala pang date kung kailan, pero I think this week.
This week you're going
this
na?
This week, yeah.
Sobrang ganado ka. Kasi nung Saturday, nung pagputok ng balita, nag-training ka, nag-jogging ka, nag-gym ka, nag-basketball.
Yeah.
Diba? Manny, sa pustahan, 3-1 lamang si Mayweather. He's undefeated sa tail of the tape. Siyempre, mas lamang siya. He's taller. He has longer reach. Bakit ka masyadong confident na makakayanin mo siya?
Confident ako because I have God. God is with me, and I believe that the Lord will deliver him into my hands.
Halos lahat ng mga kalaban ni Mayweather ay hindi nakakatama sa kanya, di ba? Usually after the fight, malinis pa yung mukha niya. You believe you can catch him with your speed?
Yes, kailangan paghandaan natin mabuti. We have to train hard for this fight and do our best at training.
Alam mo yung, napanood mo ba yung dalawang fight niya against Maidana?
Yeah.
And anong masasabi mo sa kanya doon? Kasi parang nakita natin na medyo nahirapan siya sa mga southpaw katulad mo.
Alam ko naman yung ang masasabi ko doon sa fight na yun is nakita ko yung weakness niya doon, and then hindi ko ina-expect na ayaw ko namang isipin na ganun lang yung condition niya pag kami maglaban.
Yeah. You're expecting him to come up higher.
Yeah, higher, more than that.
And you too, Manny, ano ang gagawin mong extra training para mas lumabas talaga yung pinaka-the best na Manny?
And kailangan yung ginagawa natin noon, gagawin natin yun.
Ang sabi ng ibang analyst, ang feeling nila, kailangan patumbahin mo si Floyd o talagang bugbugin mo siya para manalo ka because they say that if it goes to points, ay medyo alanganin sa mga judges sa Las Vegas. Do you feel the same way?
Basta ang trabaho ko is to train hard, to make it sure that I'm 100% conditioned in training. And nasa kamay ng Panginoon.
Nahirapan ba kayo sa negosasyon? How hard was it para maikasa tong fight na to?
Marami kasing nahirapan din kasi maraming mga taong gustong makisaw-saw sa negosasyon, and they want to get involved for this negotiation. That's why 5 years in the making bago nangyari.
Yeah.
At finally, when we meet each other, yun, nagkaintindihan kami dalawa.
Yeah. So, nung nag-meet kayo sa Miami, yun talaga yung naging crucial.
Yeah. And also, for this negotiation, nung tuloy yung fight, ang credit nito is nasa kay Mombes ng
Les Mombes ng CBS,
Mombes
head of CBS. That owns Showtime, na may-ari ng Showtime.
And also HBO, they're the one who participating for this negotiation.
Right. Kasi for the first time ata since matagal since 2002 ay magkakaroon ng joint pay-per-view, diba? Between HBO, where you usually fight, and Floyd sa Showtime.
Exactly.
Ang tanong, magkano daw ang pay-per-view?
I don't know yet. More or less $100.
About $100. Manny, alam naman natin, nakita sa mga reports na lamang si advantage si Mayweather sa hatian. Bakit pumayag ka sa ganun?
Kasi pag ipairal natin yung pride natin, lalong hindi matuloy yung fight. So, para matuloy lang yung fight, okay na.
Are you gonna continue to play basketball during your training camp?
Basketball pa rin.
Bakit nakakatulong yung basketball sa'yo? Kahit ayaw ni Coach Freddie Roach, di ba?
Yung basketball maganda sa cross-training, yung sa footwork, balancing.
Yeah, so you're going to play Wednesday. Sa game ng Kia sa PBA. And then, ano ang mga pinag-usapan nyo ni Freddie Roach? Meron bang mga rules na gagawin for this camp? How different is it going to be? How do you anticipate this training camp to be?
Wala namang pagbabago siguro. Yun na
Wala?
lang, yung i-apply lang yung mga exercise na hindi na-apply.
Do you feel na sa dati mong kondisyon in the last fight na kaya mo na si Mayweather at that condition or kailangan mo pang meron ka pang kailangan ma-improve or you have to be at a higher level?
Improve siguro ng konti. Konti na
In
lang.
what aspect?
Konti na lang.
Speed, power? Yeah.
Speed pa.
More speed. Sabi ni Jinky at sabi ni Buboy, iba si Manny kapag nasa-challenge. Medyo challenge ka ngayon kasi undefeated, medyo mayabang, di ba? At marami nagsasabi na mas magaling siya. Marami pa rin pabor sa kanya kasi sa pustahan niya 3-1. So, extra motivation. Parang ikaw, parang napansin ko sa'yo, pag underdog ka, parang mas gusto mo.
Yes, I'm excited for that. Gusto ko yung underdog ako. I like that. Mas motivated ako.
Yeah, so we can expect an even better Manny Pacquiao. Sabi ni Mami Junicia sa akin the other day, sana huminto ka na daw sa boxing. Of course, we don't want that. Pero ano ang yung salubin about this?
Malapit na yan.
Malapit na. Pero kailangan talunin mo rin si
We will
Mayweather.
announce it.
Ha? Okay, so we're gonna let Manny Pacquiao get started on his training. Manny, thank you and God bless. And
Thank you.
let's get it on.
Yes.
All right, so